Ay, try tayo niyan. No.
Hey, let's go. Come here, okay.
We're going in. What if I need to pee really bad right now? No, it's a balloon. It's a big balloon. Watch. Oh, come here.
Oh no, it's gonna break.
Watch it.
Hey Daymakers! Whatdafunday is back for another adventure.
Pika, Pikachu. It's a Pikachu.
This time at the Irvine Global Village Festival.
Let's see how high will it go up.
Pikachu.
Do you see that? It's going up.
There's so much to explore. We tried bow and arrow, learned origami, discovered new food from around the world, joined sports for kids,
Balloon. Fly.
had a debate, and had fun bouncing and hanging out together as a family. And look at these adorable friends, cute puppies, both real and robots. Definitely one of the cutest surprises of the day.
Versus unicorn. Which one's better?
I need to know which kind of dragon.
Super good question. Does it say on the board what kind of dragon? Meaning you get to pick. What do you think? Fire dragon? Okay, why is that cooler than a unicorn?
Round and round she goes. Whoever is top, summer versus wheel ski.
Because fire breath is kind of awesome. Even though they're not as cool, what's cool about them too?
For me at least, it's like the most impactful thing I've heard on the No one is like New York.
Maybe they could regenerate.
Yeah, like their magical ability to regenerate or use other powers.
You're good to go? Go. Hey, we can go to this side. Oh my god! Oh, it's hot! Wait, let's go this. I think this is high. Okay, go. It's so hot. Done. Go. Okay, go. Daniel, catch your brother. Come on. Sorry. Oh, wait. Sige, go. Go. Okay. Go up. Yeah. You need to catch. Can you catch?
Alright.
Thank you.
You got it? Alright, one hand right here, one hand. Alright. Oh, bro, what is that? Okay. Alright, one right here. Okay. Almost there.
Can you slide? Is it too high? You take it, Bert.
Oh, you made it. Alright. Oh
my gosh. Hold him. Okay. Oh no, Miss Mama's turn. go behind.
But the highlight of our adventure, the hot air balloon. The big question is, will this be our first ride as a family? Or we will just watch these giant balloons float away from below? Either way, it's all about facing new experiences. Together.
Need to sign a waiver.
Why?
On behalf of the kids.
A waiver?
I'll sign your waiver.
Galing ah, nakaupo ah.
The waiver says
Nakaupo ah.
there's a possibility that
I would
the
not.
balloon might come off from the rope.
Why don't you tell me?
And
Whoa!
you're gonna end up in Irvine or Mexico.
Alright.
Oh,
Let's go, let's go. Balloon time!
Yeah, so lahat na ba yan?
Baby Gucci!
Keyboard. Keyboard. Excited? Can you ride that?
Is no one else below? Yeah.
Wait, what?
Ay, try tayo niyan, no.
Hey, come here. Let's go. Come here, okay.
We're going in. What if I need to pee really bad right now? No, it's a balloon, it's a big balloon. Watch. Oh, come here.
Oh, it's gonna break.
Watch it.
Watch it.
What if I need to pee
No,
really
we're gonna be here.
What if I need to pee really, really bad?
I really need to. Oh, just pee on the.
Tinuturo yan eh.
Here.
Ayun, yung camera.
Cellphone.
iPad.
Happy guy.
Where's the balloon? To pee. No, I'm kidding. I mean, I do need
now you can't ride. Are you sure?
I can hold it.
Hold it.
15 minutes, right?
Just hold it if you pee.
You already know we're going here, then you...
Ang laki ng mata.
Oh, here.
What if I'm afraid of heights though?
Then you don't have to go.
Alright.
It's...
Don't worry, guys. I'm not
Stole the
afraid of heights.
balloon in the balloon.
Don't worry, guys. I'm not
You ride airplanes, right? You ride airplanes, so it's the same thing. Oh, come on now, hold
You'll be
it.
standing up the whole time.
Can I do this like... Mommy. Okay, stay here. Okay, stay close with me.
stay here.
Ayun pala, wala naman dito.
Siksikan tayo dito.
Ah, hindi. Ganun pala, bilog pala naman siya.
Bilog siya.
Oh my God. Okay, stay here. Okay, Pocoyo. Pwede siya umupo dito, Daddy.
Ayun pala yung basketball. Ay, basketball! There's basketball! We're gonna play basketball? Okay. Let's see. Where's the camera?
Put it here. Here, mommy. What if I really? It's in here.
On the floor.
Okay.
Here, Pocoyo, balloon. Pocoyo, balloon.
Ayun o.
Pocoyo, balloon.
Pocoyo ball.
Hold it. Pocoyo, balloon. Pocoyo, balloon.
Libangin mo.
Oh, what's it? Si Pocoyo. Ay, look at this. Wait. Si Lula. Oh, yeah, Lula. Lula. Hindi pa padaan. Para di kayo sila. Ayaw mo siya.
Yeah, play it.
Big balloon. Okay. Scary. Mango.
Okay. Lula.
You can just sit. You don't have to look outside.
Come here, mommy. Hold this.
Hindi mo hawakan. Axel.
That's balloon.
Axel.
This way we need to bounce off and
Okay.
take off, okay? Right, balance. All right.
Oh, it's so hot.
You're gonna hold it.
Okay, here.
Okay,
All right, you guys stay still, okay? 1 minute.
Bart! Bart! It's you!
We're here together.
Whoa! Why is it jiggly wiggly?
Okay, now we're floating.
Levitating.
We're levitating.
It's just
Say hi to the kids.
slow.
Say hi to the baby.
Yes.
Hi to your friend.
Don't jump!
Sometimes, things are scary because we don't know what's ahead. But once you try, you realize how amazing it feels to conquer your fear. As long as you have your family to support and guide you, you can make it through anything. And most of all, don't forget God is always with us wherever we go. We just have to keep the faith. Thanks for watching, Daymakers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the good vibes. Because every day is Whatdafunday.